Hi tutors, real quick, week 9. I handed you this last week. Here is our plan. We have this that you have in your blue folders, and also students will each have a copy to glue into journals, and then Immortal, Invisible, the sheet music that can be glued into journals and referred to while we study notes. Okay, so note and rest names and values today. We have a whole note, which is 4 beats. So you need to have a steady beat. 1, 2, ready, go. And you 1, 2, 3, 4, clap and slide the whole arm. Okay, it lasts that long. If you were singing it, it would be like this with the beat, la, 4 entire beats. Okay, half note is 2 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. Clap like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 beats of quarter notes. Each quarter note is 1 beat of sound, so you clap with each count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Eighth notes are quicker. They can come in pairs with a beam or single with a flag here at the top of the stem. And if you have a pair of single eighth notes, that's also 1 beat. A pair of eighth notes connected is 1 beat. That means each eighth note is half a beat of sound. Okay, so they're going to be clapped like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, all right. Then we have on here a quarter rest. There are other types of rests, but we're just going to do the basic 1 beat of silence quarter rest. So it's going to be like this. Hands come out to the sides and you go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so you are counting and clapping the rests with a whisper. All right, we have, let's see. Oh, when you are clapping, count them off, say ready, go with the steady beat so everyone can stick together with this, okay? I have made some flashcards. I just cut index cards in half, then you can quiz them. What is this type of a note? It's a quarter note. How much is it worth? 1 beat. Half note, 2 beats. Whole note, 4 beats. A pair of eighth notes. Each is a half a beat, or the pair is 1 beat. And again, eighth notes, I just put 1 eighth note dark and the other one to remind them that 1 pair is 1 beat. Here is a quarter rest worth 1 beat of what? Silence. Okay. Then you can make, if you'd like, the same thing that you saw on here, but this way they get a chance to practice clapping it, because next week we'll get into more clapping of rhythms and make it more fun. So the eighth note, or the quarter notes, 1, 2, 3, 4, and they clap it, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and they're counting also, okay? And then 2 half notes, because we're filling up 4 beats. 1 whole note, 8 eighth notes, and 4 quarter rests. So those are the flashcards that you can use this week just to reiterate note values and their names. And then next week we'll fit them together in different ways to make rhythms that we will clap. Okay. When you are looking at the music, you're wanting to spot the different types of notes in the music. And it might be, show me a quarter note. Okay, there's a quarter note right there. So each kid points to one and you just walk around and see if they have a quarter note. The stem going down does not change it. If it's filled in note head and that's it with a stem, then it's still a quarter note. Stem can go up or down. That just depends on this middle line of the staff. If a note is over the middle line, then the stem will go down. If it's down below the middle line, the stem will go up. Okay, to be continued.